Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from Popular Direct. Now, I know that Popular Direct is a great bank for those looking for high interest rates and low fees. But one thing that can be a bit tricky is figuring out how to get your money out of your account. So, if you're wondering how to withdraw money from Popular Direct, just keep reading. How to withdraw money from Popular Direct. There are a few different ways to withdraw money from Popular Direct. Here are the most common methods. Transfer money to another bank account. This is the most common way to withdraw money from Popular Direct. To do this, you'll need to log into your online banking account and set up a transfer to your other bank account. Use a debit card. Popular Direct doesn't offer its own debit cards, but you can link your account to a debit card from another bank. This will allow you to withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases with your card. Use a check. You can also request a check from Popular Direct. This is a good option if you need to withdraw a large amount of money or if you don't have another bank account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when withdrawing money from Popular Direct. Be sure to allow enough time for your transfer to process. It can take up to 3 business days for a transfer to go through. There may be fees associated with withdrawing money from Popular Direct. Be sure to check with your bank for more information. If you're using a debit card, be sure to keep track of your transactions. This will help you to avoid overspending or unauthorized withdrawals. Withdrawing money from Popular Direct is easy and straightforward. Just follow the steps outlined above and you'll be on your way. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And until next time.